gotta do something like this where you have a button, and if you click that button, it says you clicked, or anything you want to say, really. And once you click that button again, it disappears. Nothing there. No trace of it. So the first step in doing this project is going to codepen.io. So CodePen is a great place where you can, do stuff and do lots of stuff. So from template 1, if you have a template. I do, so I'm gonna use my template. So I'm just gonna delete all of this because I don't need it. And then I'm gonna change the title from document to JavaScript buttons. Okay, so then we're gonna go back into this body here. Not back, but go into this body here. And then we're gonna go type in button. This is how you create a button. And in this button, we'll type in on click. Actually, don't do this. Okay, no, not yet. Okay, and then we're gonna make this button say click me. You can have it say anything you want, but I'm gonna say click me. Okay, under this button, we're gonna create a P, which has an ID of, guess what it is in the comments. 3, 2, 1. Great job. Thanks for commenting. So it's gonna have an ID of P. Okay. Okay, and then we're gonna make this P say you click, and then make a exclamation right there. Yay! It's happy. Okay. So then we're gonna go back into this CSS here, and then we're gonna type in button, and we're gonna change the width of this button, and it's gonna have a width of 150 px and a height 50 px. And we're gonna change this font size here. Checkmate people who are trying to say, who thought I was gonna say font, not font size. Okay, in this font size, we're gonna change this font size to 20 pixels, and then we're gonna go change the font family. To change the font, you have to change the font family, and then so you use this colon here, and then we're gonna change the font to Verdana. Great font there, makes it much bigger, and other stuff. So yeah, and then we're gonna change this background to light green. We're also gonna change the color of the text. So to change the color of the text, all you need to do is type in color. We're gonna change the color of the text to white, plain white. So yeah, there are updates. Light green and white, looks really nice, right? Okay, then we're gonna disable the border so it looks much more modern. So you have to type in border : none. So that disables the border, and then we're gonna go back into the HTML and then type in style. And then we're gonna change the display part of the style. We're gonna add the colon here, and then type in none. That just makes this invisible. Wow, perfect timing. That just makes that invisible. So yeah. So we're gonna go into this JavaScript now, and we're gonna create a variable. We're gonna declare a variable. So how do you declare a variable? How do you declare a variable? You type in var, var, p, the name of the variable, equals what the variable equals. So we're gonna set this variable. We're going to set this variable equal to document dot get element by ID, and then we're gonna get the ID. We're gonna check for an ID called P, which is of course this paragraph right here. So in this we're gonna type in P, and we can add the semicolon here. You need the semicolon for everything. Okay. So then we're gonna in the next line we're gonna type in var. We're gonna type in var num is equal to 0, and then we're gonna type in function, which is just creating a function, clicked. In this function that's called clicked, you're gonna type in if this variable here, which is currently 0, is even, %2 equal to 0. So what does all this deal mean? So it basically means you're dividing this number here by 2, and if the remainder is 0, then do this. Oh, oops. Okay, so yeah. So in this we're gonna do p dot style, which is just changing this attribute here, is equal to display block. Okay, there you go. Okay, yeah, sorry for all the noise, but yeah. Okay, and then after this if statement, we're gonna type in else, which just makes this an if else statement, and then we're gonna type in those curly braces, and then we're gonna type in p dot style is equal to display none. Okay, good. So let's check if this works. Do you think it's gonna work? Please comment down below. 3, 2, 1. Thanks for commenting, and let's see if it works. Nope, it doesn't work. And that's because we have to type an attribute in the button tag. So we have to type in the attribute called on click. Click is equal to clicked. So what does it mean? So this is just saying that if the button is clicked, then run this function right here. It wasn't working because this function wasn't running, and it didn't know when to run. So yeah, so now that it knows when to run, let's see if it works. Voila, there you go. It works. You clicked, then click again, and it doesn't disappear. That's because we haven't coded it to disappear. So after this after this if statement right here, we're going to type in num plus plus, which just increases the num variable by 1. So yeah, see if it works now. Appears and disappears. Thanks guys for watching, and if you're able to follow along and do your thing, I would love to see what you've done on Code Trend and some other code stuff. So IDEs and other stuff. So thanks for watching, and bye. See you in my next videos. Bye.